Doge. Doge.
The dog. What the dog doing?
What the dog doing indeed?
Wait a minute.
Press the
What's
button.
this woman laugh?
Zelda!
Zelda time. Most likely me. I did it. Start, even though I made a
I'm just so sad it ends so abruptly. Oh my god, hot potato, no. Wow.
This man. Yo.
He just now realised. And
He
he died. Yeah.
And so my dude, you came back at the wrong second.
Get in the picture. Oh my god, me. Alright.
This is gonna be me.
You've been blocked by the legs. Hey, at least I look beautiful in the photo.
The legs of who?
Prop the bacon. Transparent, click the button.
Button time. Or bomb time, I mean.
I can't press the button because someone's jumping on it.
Yeah, the bear.
Like, 0 presses. Thanks, game. It's a pretty amazing score if I ever seen one.
You know, I'm so sick it's hard to kind of press the button. Oh, it did.
Oh, we can be dreaming now.
Hooray!
Yes.
Alright, set up a trap.
The monkey.
Hooray! Group hug.
Tricky trap.
Set a bomb on course.
Tricky trap.
Nobody else can do it. Everyone else does.
Pretend you didn't see that. Once I respawn, I will do this. Never mind, it's taking me too long to respawn. It took me way too long to respawn. I'm actually lagging. Alright. I got a perfect plan. So close.
Cry about it.
What the? Hi, and welcome to our house. Wait, no, the house is gonna explode. Oh my god, no.
That's a lot of damage.
I actually got inside the. I actually went inside the house. No. Let's just not ignore this bomb.
Prevent it from falling off. I want to see what happens.
I'm lagging.
I want to see what happens.
Okay, just kills everyone.
Oh.
Good to know. Just kills everyone.
Honestly, just the
She's like, idiot. And I'm gonna say, no you.
Cry about it.
Cry about it, noob.
Cry about noob.
Lean doing the chef's missing ingredients. Oh, cake. Bake the cake. I got the eggs. With Undertale sound effect. Bake the cake. Wait, no one got this ingredient.
Yes.
Idiot fell off.
Because I was an idiot.
I'm the best, better than the rest.
Hooray! Hooray!
Do.
Yummy! 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 Yummy!
Cake.
About it, I'm just spinning on there.
I found it. Easy.
I found it at basically the exact same time.
Hooray! Hooray! Group hug.
Yep. Ducks are falling from the sky. I'm fast as well. This is my duck. You get your own duck.
I'm also fast.
Get your own duck. You little thief.
World's longest. I think she's typing out the longest complaint because of me saying cry about it to her.
How long has she been standing there for?
I don't know how long she stood there.
She's gonna be there for another 8 hours probably. I missed the duck. I got the least amount of ducks probably. We got the same amount. Bruh.
Luck based. You just gotta luck.
Oh, kill the noob. Hello, woman. Oh no, she's aim. She can actually aim. She's going for me.
Go for the noob who's AFK.
Oh, that's what I'm doing. She jumped off. She jumped off. Haha. Ow. I mean, help.
The target.
We got her.
I killed the person who targeted me.
Oh, he didn't run. He did everything but run. So did I, apparently. It was a valiant attempt. Oh, there he goes again. And there I go again. Okay, this is hard. It lags.
I think she left. Let me push it this time.
It's not here. Mario.
Find it and to block it. Don't let anyone else click it. Let me click it. Yes! That's my shirt. Yo,
Spleef, we have
What do you
coils. Yo, this isn't fair.
let's go beat these people. Don't care.
Yo, this isn't fair. We're just speedy.
Go spread tiles or just cock block this woman.
XD.
Just go cover tiles. I'll cock block the woman.
XD.
Cock block this woman. I'm just gonna target on this woman's tiles.
That's what everyone on blue team's doing. They're just targeting each other's tiles, and I'm just getting the job done. Time's up. Clown.
XD. I just cock blocked.
Oh my god, there's a ball. I got him. Oh, bananas.
What the banana?
We will pull the mysterious lever.
Yeah. The doctor ordered you to stop.
Yowie. Is this the spoiler for Delta in Chapter 3 final boss? Well, this is all this is, huh? This is really all this is. This is boring.
I'm sorry, Bob.
It's a trap though. Oh, she has it too. Run.
The bear woman just died again.
Oh my god, I want to Minecraft. I want to be Minecraft. I'm gonna Minecraft this. I found it!
Which way?
It's what I don't know
Was
gonna
it
try
left,
because
right,
it
or middle?
was I went right, but it was probably gonna be randomized. Oh my
Joel,
god.
are you still here?
Oh my god.
Yo, hello.
You probably muted me.
Hi.
Did you mess with me or did you
Okay,
mute
then.
me?
I guess you're not listening. You weren't talking to me. Hello, Joel. Hello.
He's probably muted me.
I can't hear you.
He's probably muted me by accident. I'll tell him off the spinning cube.
I cannot hear you. Oh. There you go.
One of the corners. I'll go to the blue corner. Blue never fails me.
I'm gonna still go to the blue corner.
Right, let's go to red now. It has to be red now. It can't be red.
Yep.
1 in 4 chance that's red again.
Yeah, it can't. It's like the lightning. It can't strike.
Lightning won't strike in the same place twice.
Well, they're both dead.
Up to yellow now.
Now it's time for yellow. Laugh at my genius idea, Laura.
Great job on
Never mind.
surviving.
Let's go to middle. Good job. Return to base.
Uh-oh.
Try and keep it on. Try and keep it on.
No.
No! Haha.
Sword fight.
Sword fight.
I know the sword fight.
There's people we should target.
Wait, no.
Wait, watch out.
This guy knows the sword fight, I think.
No, like, let's just sit it out. Let's just wait it out. Let's just wait it out.
That's we win. As long as she keeps complaining, we just keep bullying her.
Yeah. Just try and survive. Just try and survive. Be quiet now.
She's dead.
I'm just gonna try and
I got her.
Don't even try a battle. Just survive.
No, I just killed her.
Speed call. Speed call out. We survive.
Oh no, you pushed me. I can't move my screen. You're just mobile. You don't know how to do it well.
Hey, I didn't mean to push you.
I know.
I didn't mean to push you. I'm sorry.
Oh my. You wanna see how I can get this?
Hey.
What the?
That's on a super server.
Okay, they have a massive hit. They have a massive hitbox. Target her. Kill her. Kill her. Ow. Okay. Haha. We're just bullying this girl. He died. Okay.
We're targeting the bear, we're targeting the bear.
The bear and the girl.
Yeah, we're targeting the bear.
The girl and the bear who can play. I'm gonna say no robot.
Oh god, what did it do?
Big head.
Ooh.
She's
She
fat.
just became fat.
Haha, fatty.
Fat.
Fatty. She's gonna die because she's typing.
Haha, dead.
It means me smart. Big head good, it means me smart.
It's like don't even push bombs. Don't even push the bomb! No robot.
Lol. We are just bullying this girl. She has no idea what to do with her life. Wow.
Haha, dead.
No drama. Meteor shower. Ow. I wasn't looking. Target her. Kill the woman.
Kill her. Target her. Kill the woman.
She's dead.
Oh, she's just dead. She's just dead.
Uh-huh.
Try and survive, let everyone else fight. No fighting. We win, haha.
Marigold noob.
Win, haha.
She's a noob.
Little noob.
Big noob. She's probably going like, well, you are the dumb and I am the smart. Ha 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 ha. Emoji, 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 emoji.
This is done for do win-win.
Yes. Trying to get found. We can win.
Do not go down there.
Clown.
Don't go that way either. Yep. Just watch for the light. We are forced to then see.
We'll make them find her.
Who asked woman?
Don't care.
Don't care. Still don't care.
I don't care.
I still don't care.
Mario. She's dumb.
Even the Seeker's an idiot.
I think the Seeker's AFK. Bro, this is easy. She's hitting the wall. She no-clipped. No clip. You suck. No clip, you suck.
She died.
Noob.
She's dead. Run.
Going after that poor man's torso. You are a clown.
No, don't beat the bacon.
Forty again.
Target the bear and the woman.
The
Target
bear's
the bear
dead.
and the woman.
Bacon, no.
Yeah, like, bully the woman and kill the bear. Look how many body food he has. Haha, hee hee.
She almost died. No, she didn't take any damage at all. People with respectability. We're returning the favor. I called her a Karen. Bomb. Oh, god, I lag. We have ascended to godlyhood. Well, she goes to hell.
At least we have a brain.
Killer, 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 killer.
Right, run and then kill everyone else. That's with us. Kill the bacons. They actually have brain cells. 4 people left. Try not to shoot me.
You died.
No! I'm dead! Avenge me! Kill her. Get her killed. Get her killed. Get her killed.
I'm completely trying to deceive all these people. You started private chatting us slander. Killer, 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 killer. Oh jeez, he's using lag. Oh god, he lag killed me. He lag killed me.
Who killed you?
The bacon, he lag killed me.
Yeah. Is it possible?
Yeah.
Look, push it off. Prevent it, prevent it,
You're the devil.
prevent it. No, no, no! That's too fast.
Get the ingredients, get the ingredients.
One more ingredient. I got this. Never mind.
clown. So don't like Aaron.
Don't even help them. Don't even help them. Just let them proceed themselves. Just proceed along the path as they proceed along. Just don't help
Classic
them.
Karen phrase.
Proceed along the path.
You are
not help
a
them.
clown.
What? Just figure it out. No.
Get bombed again.
Lies. Don't contribute. She's on our team. She's on our team. Just stand still, or jump around, as to not cover as many tiles. Lies. Just don't contribute. We'll just do this.
You
We
called
will
us
lose because we
idiots.
have so much money. We don't really need to win.
You called us idiots.
Also, I'm not using the monkey much. I'll get something else. Did we win? No, we didn't.
Got yourself. You called us idiots and got yourself into this mess. He's dead.
I do not exist.
The magic staff. How? Get hugged by the bacon. I killed her. Haha.
It's only us now. It's only us now.
Yeah. It's been a real one, brother. I just wanted extra credit, sorry.
above you head.
I won.
You've won. Nice.
Killer.
Let's see.
She's
Just
still
killed a woman.
here.
One more
She's
run.
still here. That should still reach her, right? Didn't reach her. There you go. You're a clown. You're a clown thing, you could reach her.
Why say no for woman?
Get in the road of traffic.
What's going on?
Oh, we're playing red light, green light.
What? I got it for that?
There's still a Doge head here. That's gonna kill us. She said, your peanut brain's filled with hay and garbage. Logic that logic. Which people... She said, your peanut brain's filled with hay and garbage. Logic that logic. Which people throw off their brain. You sit in dumpster, collect fin that. Did you understand any of that from what she said?
Everyone. I don't know if to target us now.
Team up, you said. Never mind, I failed. Oh my god. They're lagging. They're lagging.
Yeah, they're lagging.
I think we have time for one more.
I win. Yep.
Maybe two more because this one's
Okay,
boring.
one more after this since this is quick.
How did someone die?
This is also boring. Number one, let's try to speak on this.
Why are they all so scared?
Look at that, we all won.
I don't think
Yo,
we have time.
watch out. I wanna watch about to get beat up.
I think I made Baldy laugh.
I want this.
One more. No music because of the time thing, but okay, sorry. Dip, bip, 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 bip. Clowns. And that's it. I will leave now.